Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DESIGNSENSE Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I'm going to show you a drawing cleanup tool which is very useful for people in the mapping and surveying professions. The tool that we want to show you today is called LineWorks Intersection Processor, and you can call it from the command line by typing gt_intex as well. You can also run this command from the GeoTools ribbon. Under drawing cleanup, there is LineWorks Intersection Processor. Now what this command does is, if you have a network of lines which are crossing each other, and then if you want to break them or if you want to add a vertex at the intersection points of these lines, this is a very handy tool. So let's see how it works. On the left hand side here you see object break options. So these are used to specify whether you want to break the polyline at the intersection or not. On the right side you have vertex add options. So here you specify whether you want a vertex to be added or not. And then you have source objects and target object. The source objects are the ones which operate on the target objects and produce the necessary result. You can have the source and target as the same, in which case you select this, or you can say select manually and select your source and target separately. So let us choose this option, and I'm going to select the source objects. So for my source objects, I'm going to select these three red lines here and click OK, apply. So you can see that source objects 3 have been selected, and for target objects I'm going to select these 4 blue lines and say apply. So you can see that 4 target objects have been selected. Now you can see that the object break options are none and vertex add options are both source and target. So you need to specify whether you want to add vertices on the source polylines or on the target polylines or on both or none. So I'm going to now choose, let's say, source. So source objects only, and let us see how it processes. Click OK. So it is doing the processing now, and at the end of it you can see now it has processed. We have asked for vertices to be added in the source polyline only. So you can see that in this polyline, exactly at the intersection, there are 3 vertices created. Same here and same here and same here. Let's do an undo. Go back to the original state. I think, yeah, this is the original state. Let us run it once again with the changed option now. So I go back here to LineWorks Intersection Processor, and now I'm going to say target object, and I'm going to select once again my source and my target, the blue line, and then click apply. So now if you see, if I select the target polylines, which are these blue polylines, you can see that there is a vertex created at every intersection here, this, and so on. Now in a similar manner you can choose both source and target as well. So this is how the intersection processor tool works in GeoTools, and it's quite handy to build topology exactly the way you want it. We would also like to add a last line here, that I would also like to add one thing here, that the intersection LineWorks processor command is a complex algorithm which works on various intersection calculations. So if you encounter results which are different from what you've seen here, please do get back to me with your sample data and I will try and fix it as quickly as I can. There's another small note for you. Always keep only the layers that you want visible. Freeze all other layers that you don't need, so that the program can work efficiently with the least possibility of making any mistake. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.